bottle at, bruh?
We got the smoke, who on it? We sending shots, 200 front, I got bodies, then I put a few on it. Just hit a lick on the odds for a few on it. I can bet on my nigga for 2 on them. Too many hoes with my meat, I'ma screw on them. They on repeat cause they know what I do on them. Bitch, I'm an animal straight out the zoo on them.
What's good, YouTube? You already know who it is. It's your boy. You already know whenever you see, you already know who it is, man. But look, so it's been a while. I'm back. I am back. So today, what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be dropping my personal, this is not a paid promotion. This is not anything. This is just my personal opinion on the Bow Wow Curve Red by Kiss brush. This is the medium, by the way. So I'm just gonna kick it off. The reason why I'm doing this video is because I actually got about, it's not like many, you know, I'm not like a super big YouTuber, but I can say I got about 3 different inboxes on Facebook, and I got 1 DM on Instagram about basically, you know, I guess someone saw me in one of the wave pages and they're just like, hey, you know, I like your waves, what type of brushes do you recommend? Everyone is buying all of these brushes. So look, my thing is, do I have expensive brushes? Absolutely. You know, like I got a Torino Pro, I got Crown Quality, I got Royalty, but I can honestly say, if you want to get a good bang for your buck for a beginner, you know, this brush right here is where it's at. So I'm just gonna jump straight into the video. So the good thing about this brush is the bristles. As you can see, it is a curved brush. I like the bristles. You know, it's not like a big brush because I actually do, and this brush is always gonna lie. But this is my Crown Quality curve, but I can say there is a size difference. As you can see, the Crown Quality versus this is way smaller. But I can honestly say the thing I do like about this brush is it is small, but I feel like I have more control over each angle, over all my angles with this brush because it is so small. I feel like, you know, it's a good price. It is a curved brush. You know, it's only like a couple dollars. I can't remember exactly how much, but I will drop that below. But I can say it is a very good brush. I've nothing but good things to say about it. It's a very good price. You know, you definitely get bang for your buck with this brush. I've nothing but good things to say about it. But as I was saying, you know, the bristles on this, they're both a medium, but I feel like the bristles on this are harder than this one. So I personally, this is me just personally, I would not recommend this brush for a washing style. I would just recommend it if you have short hair. I believe it was a 1.5 open. I believe so, with the grain, of course. That's the only way that I get my cuts, you know. But like I said, you know, it's a very good brush. But the only negative thing I can say is if you look right here, the logo, it seems to rub off, and I'll actually do it live so that way, you know, you guys don't think I'm just making this up. As you can see, boom, the logo is completely gone. But wow, this one, I guess this one doesn't want to, I don't know, that's weird. But I can say overall, this is a very good brush. So I would say as a beginner, me personally, I gained my most progress using a curve, because let me make sure I explain this right. A curve versus a flat, because there is a difference. There actually is a difference, and a lot of people don't understand that. Flat, curve, there's a difference. You can even see, there's a difference. Boom.
Just be killing it.
There's a difference. But another good thing I like about this brush is the pointy tip. You know, you can get inside your crown with it, so I do like that. But honestly, I could say if you are a beginner and you're trying to find a good brush, you don't need to go out there and spend $15, $17, $20 on a good brush if you want quick progress. This brush right here, and you can find this, I'm sure people are gonna ask, you can find this at your local beauty supply store. I found this at my beauty supply store. It's not that much. Like I said, I would drop anything that I find about this brush I'll drop the link in the description description box below. But yeah, I personally feel like it's a really good brush. It has good pull. You know, like I said, as you can even see the bristles. The bristles are not too hard. They shed a little bit, but that's with any new brush. You know, they're gonna shed. You know, as a pointy tip, it's a curve, it's small. You know, I personally would not want this brush to get wet, but that's just me personally, because I feel like it will soften, and everyone knows if you do washing styles, your bristles will soften. Also, if you don't know what a washing style is, I actually do have a short wash method on my channel. I'm not the originator of the washing style. The originator of the washing style is Young Wavy. He's the originator of the washing style, and if you're big in the wave game, you already know who Young Wavy is. And if you don't know who Young Wavy is, you need to do your research. But you know, and another thing, also, this is kind of off topic, but also I had a lot of people say, not a lot, I'm sorry, I gotta stop saying that, not a lot, but I had a few people say, oh, well, why do your videos seem like this and like this? You used to always say that this is not your method. But look, any YouTuber that you look up who has waves, their methods are dope, but they will say that that method is not their method. Because in a wave game, you can only come up with so much originally that's not someone else's. The thing that makes you different is how you tweak it. You know, like I got my washing style method from Poppy Blasted. I thought Poppy Blasted was the originator. Poppy Blasted himself even said he's not the originator. He got it from someone. So that's just how it goes. And chances are your favorite YouTuber that you watch probably got it from someone. If you're a fan of 360 Jeezy and you see how he washes his hair, 360 Jeezy did not come up with that. He got it from someone. That's just how it is. If you're a fan of Sir Cruz got it from someone. Poppy Blasted, I'm a Poppy Blasted fan. Got it from someone. That's just how it goes. I'm just giving you guys my personal things and the way that I do certain things, because I have gotten asked a lot about, you know what I'm saying, what I do and all of this, because believe it or not, my hair has not always looked like how my hair looks now. Actually, somewhere I'm actually gonna drop. You know what? I'll actually show you how my hair used to look. I'll actually drop a transition photo probably right about now. Yeah, that's how my hair, believe it or not, those are the periods that my hair took. So my hair has always not looked like this. It's a transition. You know what I'm saying? You gotta put in that brush work. But yeah, so anyway, back on topic, I can say overall, I feel like this is a very good brush. This is the Bow Wow Red by Kiss medium brush, long handle. Like I said, I'll drop any information I find about this brush below. This is my personal opinion. This is not a paid promotion. This is not anything, nothing like that. It's just my personal opinion. But, you know, for beginners, I would highly recommend this brush. So, therefore, if you know me personally, if you know me on a personal level, or if you got referred to my channel, or if anything, but listen, I want you to listen to what I'm saying. This brush is a very good brush for beginners. If you are a beginner, I would highly recommend a curved brush versus a flat brush, because you gain your progress quicker with the curved brush. So if you are a beginner, use a curved brush. That's my personal opinion. If you see other waivers saying otherwise, hey, that's cool. It's just my personal opinion. You're on my channel for a reason. You want to see what I think. That's just my personal opinion. So, you know, I can, like I said, I'll drop the link for this brush below, anything that I find. But, you know, other than that, that's just my personal opinion. I would say it's all around a very good brush for beginners. I would highly recommend it. Highly. Other than that, you already know what I'm about to say, man. If you ain't brushing, what is you doing? You know? It's your boy. Hey, and I'm out. Stay wavy, baby. Peace.